says it's starting, but it doesn't look like it's live. Oh, alright. I guess we're live, guys. So, sorry about the lack of excessive volume in my speech, and also the potential hum you might be getting in the background from my mining rigs. But that's just the way it's going to have to be for right now. So, yeah, let's see if I can get my search going up here, or my chat, so I can see if some of you guys are even in here. Chat's will be flagged. Sorry guys, this is my first time setting any of this up, so bear with me. I'm sure there's nobody watching right now anyway, but oh well. I'm just setting things up here. Oh. The stream isn't streaming super good, it seems. Getting green and red. Anyways. Alright. Perfect. So yeah, it seems like it's working. So yeah, sorry for anybody who's waiting. So essentially I'm just chatting a little bit about what's been going on in the market here. It's been some crazy action. If anybody's been holding alts, you've probably felt the pain after some amazing gains there for a while. Yeah, I'm being a little bit quiet because it's late at night here and the girlfriend's sleeping. So sorry about the lack of enthusiasm. But yeah, Bitcoin, look at that. The movement in Bitcoin lately is just ridiculous. I can't get over it. She's come down so much, even just in market cap. Also, Bitcoin Cash got added to Coinbase, and there was some serious action going on in there. It really affected both, it seemed, Coinbase. It really affected Bitcoin. Jeez, I can't speak right now. It really affected Bitcoin as well as the rest of the market. But yeah, as soon as it was added to Coinbase, I thought I was smart and tried to get in, and got in at some horrible prices. So now I'm stuck holding some Bitcoin Cash that I never really wanted to hold in the first place. I was just hoping to flip, but didn't turn out so good. But hey, these things happen, right? So some huge gains for anyone holding hemp coin. I've been selling off my position slowly. I don't really have much left. Same thing for Ripple. I pretty much sold all of my Ripple position. Just because I don't love Ripple that much. I just kind of got it as something that you know, I thought it could do something based on the fact that, you know, big banks were involved and stuff. But the more I get involved into the space, the more I kind of want to avoid that sort of situation. I'm sure it's, you know, there's a place for it and everything, but it's just not my thing. I may play it again if it drops down at some point, but I was happy to be out of it, even though I've lost some potential gains. So yeah, anyways, welcome to the live stream there. Looks like there's somebody watching. It's always cool. Yeah, anyways, we don't need to see that. Nobody wants to see my wallets. What am I doing? Just clicking around everywhere. Alright, what do I want to show? Yeah, so we got some crazy action here on GDAX as well. GDAX, geez, it dropped down below 1200. Oh, if you're curious about why my prices, oh no, these are all American. Yeah, never mind. Everything's American here. Some of my other platforms use Canadian prices. So, anyways, yeah, we had 1,200 and, geez, almost $12,700 it went down to. Now she seems to be bouncing back up and coming back to a more stable range. But yeah, anyways, it's quite a ride. Hopefully she'll come back up. I bought Bitcoin from, geez, let's go back to a day chart. Yeah, we already are at the day chart. Alright, so yeah, I've been buying for a while now, I guess. Why don't we look at it on here? 3 months. So yeah, anyways, been buying for a while on the way up. I've even bought some at, you know, perceivably horrible prices now because I bought all the way up here. I just continued to cost average my way in, and I mean, I don't have tons because I don't have a crazy budget, but yeah, anyways, building my Bitcoin slowly. Oh geez, I'm looking at market cap, but yeah, as it moved up, you know, cost averaged my way in, and so even though, you know, I did get some at some of the higher end of things, I guess, and it's coming down, I'm still buying a little bit as I can to pick up a little bit more. So hopefully that works out. Other than that, what else we got here? I don't want to look at Bitcoin Cash. I've recently picked up a little bit of IOTA, just because actually I recently set up my Binance account, so I'm on Binance now. You can see I got a couple favorites starred here. Took me a little while to get the hang of Binance, but essentially I've just been moving some of my profits over here from Bittrex over to Binance, essentially to keep my trading going and do that. So that's essentially don't really trust my money, all my money over here at Bittrex, so I'd rather spread it out at least over 2 exchanges, so if one goes down, at least I have some more working for me still. So what do we got here? So yeah, I picked up a little bit of Tron. Go to the 1 minute chart. Let's go to the day chart. I kind of like the way they have, you know, you can click here, you can go to your 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minutes. You can go to your hours, by the hour. You can go to your straight day or your straight week, which is kind of neat. And then of course you got all your indicators and stuff that you can mess with. Sometimes I used to play around with indicators a lot more, not so much anymore. I do like Bollinger Bands normally, but anyways, yeah, let's leave those on. Why not? So yeah, I'm making a few random trades. Actually, you can see them down here. These are my open orders, the ones that are just sitting there. You know, nothing crazy to show there. So yeah, back to this. Nope, right here. I should have put them all in order like most of the other YouTubers do when they do live streams. That would have made things a lot easier for me. So yeah, anyways, we got I picked up a little IOTA. I got a small order in for some Dash if it drops a little more. Actually, it might have been filled. You know, whatever, I already showed you guys this. Let's see if it no, it didn't get filled. Not yet anyway. Got filled on a few other ones though. Yeah, I mean, none of these are recommendations, guys, of course. I guess 9 minutes in, it might be a bit late to say that, but none of, you know, these trades that I'm showing you are for recommendations. It's just because this is what I'm doing, and I want to share it with you guys. I'm no financial advisor by any means. Let's just put it that way. And always do your research. I mean, I'm at the stage now where I'm not even necessarily doing a ton of research into each and every coin. I'm just buying a little bit of a few coins once I see them reach a level that I like. I bought a little Tron just today, actually. Not not that I think it's an amazing project or anything. I like it, and it's high up on the market cap. I'd like to own as many coins up near the top here as possible, and so that's kind of my goal. Minus BitConnect, I already been burned by that kind of thing before, so I don't want to have anything to do with that. So yeah, just kind of picking and choosing random coins, guys. Whoever's in chat, feel free to hit up in the live chat if you have any questions or anything. Love to communicate with somebody. A bit boring here, 1:30 in the morning. Nobody to chat with. I saw one guy earlier streaming, and it wasn't even a stream. It was just, oh look, I'm gonna put up a chart of Bitcoin, and let's just watch it in real time. Sweet. That's pretty cool. But they had the actual live ticker and stuff, which is cool, I guess. But I don't know, what's the point? Like, why is there 1,000, 1,500 people watching that? Mind you, I'm not doing anything that much better, but at least there's somebody talking, and you can have some communication. I guess people just go to talk in the live chat. Oh, something else. I definitely agree with people when they say don't sell all your position. I got out of Verge, pretty early on. Let's see. Well, early on with the spikes that it was having, I guess you could say. Let's go to Verge here, actually. Alright, so yeah, it's reached a high of 987, and of course you can't always pick the top, like I don't expect that I'm gonna be able to pick the top. It's pretty hard to pick the top, but I sold at 148, which was my goal. Like I normally my mini strategy, I guess, that's so far been working okay for me is I just buy whatever amount I want to buy, and then I sell half of it at a 35% gain, essentially covering most of my costs, and then kind of work with house money from there. So that was me covering my costs right there, and then I sold some more at 290, and now I'm just kind of holding some. Actually, I moved it over to Binance to sell it off when I wanted to sell it off, but yeah, it's just exploded. So if I would have sold it all off like I did with some other coins in the past, I probably would be kicking myself, because I do believe in this project. So yeah, don't sell your whole position. It's never a good idea. Yeah, she's still going down. Well, on a daily thing, we've had a really rough 6 days. So I guess this is what a lot of people have been expecting, the Christmas sell-off. Everybody's selling before Christmas to get a few extra gifts or whatever, which is awesome. People need to do what they need to do. But I'm just looking for more opportunities and more things to get in on. Not sure how interesting actually live trading will be. I was half expecting to have a few people to chat with, but that's okay. We'll just give this a test, and I'll be able to see how well this loaded up, and if there's any lag issues or anything like that. Ooh, Power Ledger. That's down a little bit. That's pretty sweet. Maybe I'll have to pick up a little bit more of that. I've already got a little bit of Power Ledger. I really like the project. So many coins, guys. But yeah, I'm focusing mostly on just this page, top 100. You know, like I don't want to own them all by any means, but I'm definitely focusing on these. Probably own maybe 50 coins at most at any given time. I'm hoping. I feel like you start going too much above that, and it's probably not really going to be manageable anymore. At least for me. I don't know, at this given stage, until maybe I develop a trading bot or something like that. I've been playing around with trying to learn some programming skills, and hopefully that will I'll be able to put that towards something useful, like maybe a trading bot, or at least some sort of AI, not AI, but some sort of setup that will allow me to trade a little easier and keep track, or at least keep track of my trades a little easier. So yeah, well, thanks for watching, man. Whoever the one person is that's watching back there. Nobody's saying anything, but I see you there. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do much else, guys. Alright, well, that's it for me, guys. Please hit that like button down below and subscribe if you like this channel. It's pretty mellow first live chat. Maybe I'll do another one tomorrow during regular hours, so I can be a little more bubbly or energetic, and maybe I'll actually figure out how to get a camera rolling on this thing. So this is just the first attempt. Alright, take it easy, guys. Let's see if I can figure this out. Alright, ciao.